Don't come up here if you're afraid of heights, baby. Woo! Look, I don't live too fancy and try to do all that lavish crap or anything like that. You can see the ocean through the trees, not the forest. And over there, that's our fabulous cook right there. Wave at the people. And it's beautiful. Everywhere we turn, it's beautiful, man. What is that? That's Alpha Job University right there. Go ahead and enroll, baby. All right, so right now we're gonna do a tour of this new place we're at in Playa Car. Okay, so we just got here today. It's Sunday and they're too desperate to swim, so we are gonna wait for the guy to come and clean the pool. All right, so this is another Airbnb that we're at. We just left the other one, so it has the pool or whatever for the kids, it has the barbecue pit, and then, you know, it has a little table area right here, you know, if you want to chill. There's only a couple of us, so we don't have to be all that, you know, fancy and flamboyant, but it's a nice place. Got the ugly dog right there looking at us on the inside right here, and that's the living room. So hey, watch out, you just threw water on me, man. All right, let's see. Damn, that's a big ass wasp right there. Let's go in. All right, so excuse the noise. There's a TV on playing Transformers in Spanish, right? All right, so as you can see, you look out there, and I don't know why, but they're trying to clean out the pool because they just can't wait. Okay, and over there, that's our fabulous cook right there. Wave at the people. Hey, okay, so we're gonna go a little bit closer. This is the living room. Let me zoom in. Got the mirror over there. The wraparound couch, if that's what you call it. Then you step up. Then we have this guest room right here. I think I'm tracking water in there because they splashed some water on me. All right. My son is in here messing around, trying to animate right here. Blah, blah, blah. Got it plugged up to the TV. It's kind of loud, man. Kind of loud in here. Okay. Then we're going to check out this room right here. Okay, this is my daughter. Say what's up, come in. It's kind of dark all over the house, y'all. Hey, but guess what? Like, the electricity is extremely expensive out here. So she got the TV on and everything. She's unpacking and everything. All right, then she has her own bathroom in here. Blah, 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 blah. It's extremely cool, okay? Then we got my other daughter's room right here. So all the rooms come with double beds, and that's what I wanted to show you. Like, the ceilings are extremely high. Then they got the little window and like all the closet space and everything like that. Boom, boom. So we just move here. And this is just another entry into the bathroom. All right, where's the thing on? All right, so blah, blah. So we just got here, man. We had to leave the other place. And I'm about to go upstairs and show y'all my living quarters. So stay tuned, man. Keep going, keep watching, keep watching. That's my son. Say what's up, Ed.
What's up?
What's up? Tell the people, you like your room?
Yeah, I like my room.
Okay, so he in there like making beats. So we're gonna go upstairs. Hold on, I ain't even show y'all the food, man. All right, so we gotta watch the step. All right. All right, there's the table right there. Boom. This is the new wave right here, man. I love this, and we haven't even used it yet. I don't know why. It took forever trying to get it and didn't even use it. And this is Adriana.
Hello, everybody.
Hey, you guys have met her before. And here's the food. This is the best part of the house, the food. Yes, look at all that chicken. Delicioso. Yay. Okay, all right, so let's go upstairs real quick. And I'll show y'all some of the best parts of the Chris lid. So follow me, come now. Follow me underground. All right, so this is a way out to the balcony right here. This is one way. You just like pull on the knob and go out there. But then it goes into my room. I love the little cave wall background thingy right here. I don't know what to call it, but I love it. That's one of the reasons why I picked it. And then the ceiling is all brick. Like, it's just crazy, dude. And the fan is made out some kind of look like, I don't know, it looked like a bug's wings or something. And here's one of the windows right here, you know, going out into the balcony. But we'll keep watching, because I'm gonna show y'all something crazy that I didn't even know came with this place, okay? All right, so this is the view out of the room. So it has a lot of windows. It gets real hot up here, you know what I'm saying? Since we've been here so far, you know, heat rises. All right, so we come out here on the balcony. I'm gonna show you guys. All right, look at that view. We got the little outside furniture set, couple tables if you want to bring some people over to the crib. And take a look at that. What is that? That's Job University right there. Go ahead and enroll, baby. But anyway, we still got the view of the ocean. We're a little bit further back than we were at the last place, but you can zoom in and still see the beautiful view. You already know what it do. Okay, so we can zoom back out, right? All right, so I still got some more to show y'all. This ain't nothing yet. You ain't seen it, but say goodbye to Job University. The link should be in the description. Go ahead and enroll so you can make you some cake and come out here and chill with me and my family, man. All right, mastermind. Alrighty. Let's go ahead and go. Oh, y'all don't need to look at me. We still on the balcony. All right, we're gonna walk this way in our Aerosmith voice. Then, ooh, look at that. That is beautiful going over that way. But now we on a roller coaster. If you ever went to Six Flags, you know what I'm talking about. When you're climbing up the roller coaster. All right. Boom. Give me a little bit of exercise out here. Don't come up here if you're afraid of heights, baby. Woo! Look at this view, man. Look at this. So we can still see the ocean. We're still right here. Right here in my chingy voice. Okay, we still right here, baby. You can see the ocean through the trees, not the forest. See the ocean through the trees. This is where we at. This is where we at, man. All right, so then that's cool, you know what I'm saying? That is awesome, right? But then we got the little lounge chairs and everything like that. Then at nighttime, if you want to chill, got the little jacuzzi right here. You know, what I'm finna do is get out the heat because it's kind of roasty up here. Look at them. Okay, but yeah, it's kind of roasty up here, and I ain't trying to like break too much sweat. I already did my shower thing, all right? And give y'all one last view before we ride out. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Just want you to know that, man, you ain't gotta chill in the United States. You ain't gotta be stuck there or wherever you at. You know what I'm saying? I don't live too fancy and try to do all that lavish crap or anything like that. But the main reason we out here is to get away from all that political crap, the racism in the US and the BS going on, you know what I'm saying? And be able to take what we make and live comfortably elsewhere without being bothered or messed with or whatever. And it's beautiful. Everywhere we turn, it's beautiful, man. So if you just want to get away, you know what I'm saying? If you just want to have some fun, experience some stuff, like the Mexican borders are open, man. Like, y'all can go ahead and come up out here, you know. The borders never closed in Mexico, matter of fact. Y'all can go ahead and come out here and chill with us, man. And I'll teach you how to make your income so that you never have to go back to the United States if you don't want to. Estados Unidos, you know what I'm saying? You can leave that mug. Vámonos, ven acá, come out here with us, right? Okay. And the way you do that is go to Job University, enroll in the Godfather of Drop Service and course, and you'll be on your way, all right?